the best free video editing apps for iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you guys the best free video editing apps for iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first app is, as you must all know, CapCut. So CapCut is a really versatile and compact app which you can use to edit your videos and even photos. So you can get it freely for App Store on your App Store or Google Play Store, and after you download it you can also buy its pro version. So yeah, but let's just deal with the initial this free version first. So you can import or take a video from CapCut and then start editing it. So there are a lot of features such as your split, you can change the speed, you can add effects, delete different proportions, you can transform it, that is you can crop it, you can adjust its everything, you can even mask it, you can blur it and stuff like that. So you can even choose different audios which are already in CapCut, and yeah, you can try that out as well. You can add text, overlay effects and a lot of different stuffs here. So yeah, this is one of the best free video editing apps out there. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is called InShot. So search for InShot, you can easily get it from the App Store or Google Play Store as well. So InShot is comparatively a lot easier to use. It has a really easy interface and there is a really handful of stuff that you can do with it. So yeah, you can easily use this to add stickers. The blurring is really easy here, you can blur with it, you can add stickers, you can add text, you can add effects, filters and a lot of different stuffs. So the editing features and tools are almost same here, but there are different ways you can use them, but it's completely up to you. And this is the best video free editing apps out there. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.